So there you go guys, there is no way this is anything other than the Zephyrus G14. So let's just go ahead and open this box up, and I just want to show you that ASUS has actually been really kind in sending us a sealed unit. This has not been opened, so I'm about to do those honors. And there we go, that's the right. Okay, so what do you get when you buy this highly anticipated laptop from ASUS? So first, in the box you have a box. So this is a box that you get, and it is the G14 for sure. This particular unit is powered by the Ryzen 9. So there's box number 1, and then there's another box inside, which actually has a really nice laptop sleeve. This is again an ROG sleeve. Laptop goes in here, and there's also a pocket at the back for storing, I think, the power cables and stuff. Not bad. So you've got this. Let me just get rid of the boxes. And finally, the moment of truth. Let's take a look at what variant of the G14 has ASUS sent us. Oh, nice. So when I actually got to see the first prototype of this machine, we had the guys from ASUS fly down from various parts of the world. They brought the laptop, they brought the motherboard, which is all open. They bought a lot of components for us to see and experience. And at that time, I told these guys, when you send us the laptop for review, please send us the white one. And that's so nice of them to have, obliged. Now, it's really cool that the specs are actually all written on this, the shrink wrap that covers the laptop. And just to read them out to you, it's powered by the Ryzen 9 4900HS. And this is the one with the funky display. There are LEDs built into the display. It's got a 76 watt hour battery. It's got a resolution of 2560 by 1440. So this is the 2K display, the 1440p display, and therefore it's 60 Hz, not the 120 Hz variant. It's got Pantone validation, Wi-Fi 6, support 65 watt Type-C charging, all of that cool stuff. So there's the laptop. I'm pretty sure that's all you care about, but there's actually a lot more in this box. Little box number 1. This will probably come with a number of pamphlets. Yep. So you have various booklets. There is gaming notebook PC, then a user manual, and interesting, enter the anime matrix, little comic book. I like the wordplay on the whole animatrix thing, but yeah, whatevs. You can, if that's your thing, you'll enjoy it. That's that. Then here is the power brick. Now the really cool thing, about this is it's a 180 watt power supply, and it's actually super slim compared to the kind of power supplies that ROG laptops have been shipping with, which are big bulky ones. This is going to be absolutely amazing. And you have a power cord, and that is pretty much all you have in the box. So when you buy the G14, what you're getting is a box which has 2 more boxes, one box with all of the laptop stuff, and then of course a sleeve. It's really nice of ASUS to actually include a carrying sleeve as well, because most laptop manufacturers wouldn't do that, and to have that here is really nice. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.